Hello moneymakers. You've probably seen these racing bar chart videos, super addictive to watch, insanely popular, and pulling in millions of views. But have you ever wondered, how are they made? Let me give you some inspiration. There's a channel with just 84 videos that has gained 1.38 million subscribers. Yes, 1.38 million. Their videos are still pulling in views even after 2 to 3 years. Another channel? Only 119 videos, and they've already hit more than 100,000 subscribers. Crazy, right? Now, here's the big question. Can you do this too? Or does it require fancy skills and tools? Don't worry, AI Maskman has your back. I'll show you how to make these videos easily with just 2 steps in under 10 minutes. So grab your notebook, get comfortable, and watch this video till the end. Alright, so first of all, you might be wondering how all this data and design will be created or where to find it. Well, everything is available online. You don't have to worry, just watch the video till the end and let me know in the comments if you found it easy to follow. So let's go step by step. Step 1. Collecting data. For this, you need to visit a website called gs.counter.com. This website provides data for various industries, markets, and countries. For example, if I want data on social media stats, I'll simply click on that option, and as you can see, a chart has opened. However, the data is currently limited, so let's enhance it by clicking on Edit Chart Data. Next, select the time period you want to compare, for example, year-over-year data. Similarly, if you need data for a specific country or region, you can select that option. For now, I'll keep it worldwide. After that, choose the starting and ending year for your data and click on View Chart. This process might take about 10 to 15 seconds to load. Once the chart is ready, as you can see, we have the complete data displayed in a structured chart format. Now, scroll down and click on the Download CSV option to download the data. This way, you can extract data for different countries, industries, or time frames. Now the second website is statista.com, which is another excellent platform to find a variety of data. For example, let's say I want to explore TikTok-related data. I'll click on the TikTok section, and as you can see, I get access to a wide range of data, such as most popular TikTok creators worldwide, most used social networks, and many more. Once you've found the data you need, you can download it directly from the website for further use in your projects. Now that we have our data ready, let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Creating the video. For this step, visit a website called alien.io. First, sign in using your Google account or any other email to create an account. Once you're logged in, click on Create Project from the homepage. Now, give your video a title. Choose the video size according to your platform. For YouTube, select Landscape. For Shorts, choose Portrait. For Instagram Reels, go with Square. Next, for the video type, select the first option, Bar Chart Race. There are other video types available, but if you want me to cover those, let me know in the comments, and I'll create a part 2 video explaining them. For now, we'll stick to creating a bar chart race video. Now, as you can see, it looks something like this. Now to create a racing bar, click on the Data tab, and then on File Import. Here you can also copy-paste the data from here. Otherwise, you can direct upload the data file as well. Upload the CSV file you downloaded in Step 1. Make sure to select Annual as the date format since we're creating a yearly comparison. However, you can adjust this based on your requirements. Once the data is imported, you'll see it displayed in the bar chart race format. You can also make some changes in the data from here if you want. So, as you can see, it looks something like this, which might seem quite boring. But don't worry, you can fully customize it according to your preferences to make it more engaging and visually appealing. For that, you need to go to the Layers section. From there, first, set the video duration. If you increase the duration, the video will play slower, and if you decrease it, the video will play faster. Adjust it based on the pacing you prefer for your content. Now you need to add your title at the top of the page where you want it displayed. From here, you can also adjust the font, color, and size to match your style and make it visually appealing. Now, in all these channel videos, you must have noticed that they also add brand logos, country flags, and such elements. So, should you do the same? Why not? You need to open Google and search for the logo or any relevant image of the company or data you're using. Once you find it, copy the image URL. Next, go back to elian.io, and in the Data section, select the box under the title. Once selected, choose the link option and paste the image URL there. If you already have the image downloaded, you can upload it directly as well. As you can see, your image is now added. Similarly, add images for all entries one by one. And this is how it will look. Next, let's move to the background. You can upload your own custom background image, or if you prefer, you can change the colors directly from the options available here. I would suggest using your own unique background with your watermark. This way, no one else can use your video without permission, and it adds a professional touch to your content. You can also change the color of the bars and the font style of the bar labels from here to match your design preferences. Now, what if you want to create a video on data that's not available on these websites? For example, if you want to make a video on most popular sports in the world from 1990 to 2020, how can you find this information? Don't worry, you can use AI for this. Open ChatGPT and enter this prompt. I am planning to create faceless videos on my channel, focusing on comparing data. In this case, I want to make a video on the topic, most popular sports in the world, 1990 to 2020. I need a CSV file that contains data on this topic, similar to the example I am providing, which is about social platforms. The CSV should follow this format, but for the sports comparison. Also, provide an example data table for reference. I've added this complete prompt to my free WhatsApp channel, and you can access it by joining through the link provided in the description. And as you can see, ChatGPT has provided me with a data CSV file. Now let's download this file and upload it into elian.io to start creating our video. Now you just need to follow the same steps I showed you earlier. Add images, logos, and a custom background to make the video unique from other creator. Here I'll upload my own background image that includes my channel watermark. This ensures the video has a unique and professional touch, while also protecting it from being reused by others. You can also add additional layers to enhance the design and include audio tracks to make your video more engaging. Once you've fully customized the video, adding images, logos, background, audio, and any other layers, click on Export and download your final video from here. Moreover, you'll also find some datasets directly on elian.io itself. From here, you can access data on topics like cryptocurrency, GDP, YouTube channels, and much more. For example, if you want to create a video about YouTube channels, you can select the category, year, and country from the options available. Then, choose the specific channels you want to include and click on Create Project. Your racing bar chart video will be generated instantly. From there, you can fully customize it according to your preferences. There are many more customization options available in this tool, such as different types of bar chart races. If you'd like me to cover these advanced features, leave a comment part 2, and I'll create a second video on this topic. Let's play the video and see how it turned out.